Well, let's go through the overnight hours. We've got rain. You see that behind me. The good news is some of this is going to push out of here most likely before the height of the morning commute. Last night it looked a little bit slower, but today it looks a little faster. You can kind of see that on satellite behind me. Overall, Madison, I-565 here just before 3:30 this Tuesday afternoon. Traffic's in good shape, but we know how that changes quite a bit right after 4:30 or so. Current temperatures upper 70s, right where we forecast today, and it's just been a really nice day. In fact, we said this would be the nicest day of the week, and it probably is. As we take a look just off to our southwest, one thing that we do have around here today is more of this northeast wind here, and that's kind of driving slightly drier air as it mixes in, and that's what's going to make it a little challenging for all this rain to move in. So perhaps on the lower side of a half inch for many areas, but definitely dealing with some rough weather into northern Louisiana, eastern Texas, tornado watch south of Dallas. Here's what it looks like. I've adjusted this a little bit more than what the model had, just because I think I'm a little more comfortable showing at least some rain overnight tonight around here, about 1/4 of an inch to maybe a half inch at most, and that'll slide through. Most likely the early part of the morning commute, the roads could be a little damp out there, but then we just stay cloudy as we go through the rest of the late morning and on into the early afternoon. We're going to watch an area come in from the south, basically track to the northeast, and as it does so, we're going to see a few scattered showers out there, but not much nothing to write home about, so to speak. So nothing severe. Next 12 hours, the rain starts moving in after 1 a.m. It could be as early as 11 a.m. south of Smith Lake. Here's your 3-day forecast, some morning showers, some thunder, and then Thursday and Friday afternoon, pretty much scattered. Very unsettled weather. We'll talk about the 10-day coming up at 4, 5, 6, and 10.